Good morning, it's Wade from A.C.T. Very exciting project update here in the heart of Umhlanga for Bank of China. A.C.T. were called in to carry out a waterproofing inspection to the entrances of this building. The clients on both sides were really struggling with water ingress into their offices, creating a smell, creating mold, which we were able to discover upon our investigations and provide a specification recommendation to the client. So I just want to take you through the phases of this project and the steps that A.C.T. have involved in to continue to rectify the waterproofing here for this building. With careful consideration, we've had to lift all the tiling to the floors and the cladding attached to the base of the building. In this stage currently, we've stripped all the top layers coming down to the concrete substrate, having primed the surface. We're using a Puvitech 4mm waterproofing membrane, premium product. Absolutely love this product and highly recommend it for waterproofing. And effectively that's going to be the current process here for this stage. If you join me on the other side, I can take you to the next steps. Once we completed the 4mm torch on, we follow up with a cementitious modified screed that we apply to the base of the floor. Addition to that, we do a cementitious waterproofing membrane along that screed up the base of the walls, and we'll be beating around the base of the window where we found just a few holes that need to be plugged up. And once we have completed that, we are reinstating the entire system with the tile specification for the building, and we sourced the exact same matching cladding for the building. So we are about 50% through this project. It is quite tedious and time consuming, but very proud of just really solving what has been a long-standing headache for the client. And then over here, just to always point out, we try to keep our sites as neat as possible. We have a skip on site, rubble bags, keeping everything out of the way for the client, allowing full access to the building with minimal disruption to the work environment. Look forward to updating you upon completion. Thank you very much.